Assalamu alaikum little kids, hope you all are fine and doing well. This is your maths lecture and today we are going to learn about addition. Do you know what is addition? Addition means to add one thing with others. Let's see an example. You have one candy and your friend gives you one more. How many candies do you have? Yes, you have 2 candies. We will do counting by using fingers and objects. This sign is a plus that used for addition. This is equal. It means a result of counting. Now let's learn the addition with the help of objects. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 bird plus 1 bird equals 2 birds. 1, 2 equals 1, 2. You can also use your fingers. 1 finger plus 1 finger equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 banana plus 2 bananas equals 3 bananas. 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 medals plus 2 medals equals 4 medals. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice what you have learned. 1 plus 1 equals, yes, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Very good. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Very good, kids. I hope you understand. If you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.